Hey everybody. Uh, Hi. Sorry, I'm still out of breath. Just finished about a 3-hour hike, and I want you guys to appreciate what goes into these white noise videos. That's why I'm doing this vlog. It might be my only one, depending how well it turns out, but I want you to understand how much work goes into these white noise videos. The ones by the beach and the time-lapse sunsets take no time. They're really, really close. I'm very fortunate. I live right by the beach. It's a 5-minute walk, so I don't mind those. The dive videos, for every hour or 45 minutes of underwater footage, it's about 10 hours of total time before it gets up on YouTube. And I think for this one, I only got about 45 minutes of footage, and even just getting there took an hour and a half. I had to fight off crabs. I had to fight off feral dogs. I had to wade through waist-deep water and rivers when there was no path. I had to slide down rocks. I had to rock climb to get there. But in the end, it's all absolutely worth it. It is absolutely beautiful, the views, and not only the time that hopefully you take to appreciate and watch the videos and do your yoga or meditate or study or try and sleep with whatever you do with my videos. It's time that I really enjoy, that I can kind of calm down and enjoy the scenery. So that said, looks like I just beat the rain. And here's what the views, here's what all the work was for. So here you go, guys, and enjoy.